Okay, welcome back to Don's Cookbook. Today we're going to be meal prepping some high calorie, high protein meals. Only takes about 15 minutes of prep time. The oven's going to do all the rest of the work and it's going to be delicious. None of that boring old chicken breast that's dry, takes forever to make. None of that over here. Okay, we're going to start off by chopping up a red pepper, putting it into a dice and then straight into a nice non-stick roasting tray. Same thing with a green pepper, cut it up. No need to get too fancy here, just small enough for bite-sized pieces. 3 tomatoes, get the Roma tomatoes if you can, they roast really nice, but if you can't, any tomatoes will do here. Red onion, just into quarters. Two cloves of garlic, add really nice flavour. Give it a quick toss together. If you're thinking, why do we need all these vegetables? It's about creating flavour here, okay? Although of course they are very healthy as well. 8 chicken thighs, go straight in. Sprinkle over a tablespoon or 2 of paprika, which is basically just ground up red peppers. Some salt, some black pepper, and a couple of chili flakes. If you don't like chili, don't like spicy, just leave it out. Won't make that much difference. Add in a good amount of extra virgin olive oil. This is where we're going to get all our good healthy fats and add a lot of calories to this dish. And drizzle over some red wine vinegar. Get yourself some gloves, get in there with your hands and give it a good mix together, making sure everything's coated in the marinade, including the veggies. When everything's all even, just put the chicken straight on top of the veggies. Now straight into the oven for 1 hour at 180 degrees, which is 350 Fahrenheit. Slice of lime, clove of garlic, 2 cups of white rice, 4 cups of water on the stove for 15 minutes at high. And you'll have perfectly cooked rice every time. Make sure you cook it with the lid on. Now I'm going to show you how to make a really nice high calorie breakfast shake. Going to start off with a shot of coffee, as I am having this first thing in the morning. I like to just use the Nespresso machine, nothing fancy. On the weekends I might use an Italian mocha pot or something similar like a French press, but for the week, Nespresso is just fine. Add some oats into a blender, a banana, perfect to start the day, and adds about 200 calories as well. A nice heaped teaspoon of coconut oil, some more good fats, scoop of protein powder, vanilla, I like to just keep it neutral first thing in the morning, and 2 cups of whole milk, plus our coffee shot. Doesn't get any simpler than that. Put a lid on, blend it up. They say that eating is the hardest part of bodybuilding, but really it's the simplest part when you're eating delicious food that's easy to make. In total, this took no more than 15 minutes of prep time, including the shake. Come on. All right, the chicken's out of the oven. It looks delicious. Veggies have gone very tender, beautifully caramelized. The chicken just falls apart. You can see that. We're going to add 2 pieces of chicken thigh into our container. As well as a few bits of veggies, some onion, some of the peppers, some of the tomatoes. Get a few of those in as well. Delicious. A few big scoops of rice go in. It's going to taste so good with the flavouring that we've done. Put as much as you need to suit your calorie intakes. and finish with the delicious roasting juices right over the top of the chicken and the rice. Look at that. And there we are, 5 meals prepped for tomorrow. Breakfast, morning tea, lunch, a snack, and dinner. All done. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think.